Hey guys, what's up? This is Sean from SeanDalton.com, and today we're going to be doing some iPhone street photography here in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Let's get after it. Alright guys, so I'm shooting with the iPhone 8 Plus today. I'm going to be recording my screen so you can see what I'm shooting. I love this phone. It's great for things like street photography and a lot of other things. I actually just finished a course on that, an online course, so you can check that out. But today we're going to be walking around this market and just seeing what we can come up with. I'm not looking for anything in particular, but there's a lot of colors, there's a lot of sights, there's a lot of interesting people here. So we're just going to capture what we can and see what we can come up with. Let's go. So much going on over here. We're kind of stepped out of the market, but now we're going to go like back inside into the interior. Let's do that. They sell like anything you can think of here. Fabrics, food, clothes, toys, makeup. So there's a few things I'm looking for while I'm out here. The first thing always in every photography situation is the lighting. The lighting is the most important. I like to find dynamic lighting. I like it when there's shadows and some sun kind of leaking into the frame. That looks really cool. But a lot of the time with things like street photography, you're not going to find good lighting in every scenario. So what makes the image so good is just the subject matter of the image. So what's in the photo, the people, the food, whatever is in the photo, that's what makes it interesting. And that's why travel photography or street photography in general is so compelling, is because it's different things and a new experience and a new culture in a photo. So maybe you don't have the best lighting or the best composition. That's okay if the subject matter is okay, but once you bring all those three things together, the subject matter, the lighting, and the composition, you can get some really, really amazing photos. And that's kind of all the best travel or street photos you see have all of those things just tackled in a perfect way. So let's keep trying to do that today. Alright guys, we're all finished here today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. It's really helpful for me. I'm kind of just getting started on YouTube. And guys, I also want to tell you about my new smartphone photography course. I just finished it. It's up on my website, so you can check that out. I'm doing like a sale right now because I just released it. I want to give you guys exclusive access to that. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. We're going to go eat some food, so I'll catch you later.